Okay, now check the injectivity and surjectivity of the following functions. Injectivity means one function, surjectivity means onto. And that first problem is f from n to n given by f of x is equal to x square. Okay, here domain and codomain both are natural numbers. Now your function is like this. Let us analyze. Your domain contains natural numbers. Natural numbers means start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dash dash dash. And codomain also set of natural numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dash dash dash. Now here function f from n to n. Okay, function is like this. F of x is equal to x square means image of 1 square is 1. Image of 2 square is 4. Image of 3 square is 9 somewhere here. And image of 4, 16. Image of 5, 25 and so on. Okay, and it is clear that different elements having different images. According to the definition, if a function is 1, then distinct elements of the domain having distinct images in codomain. Okay, this condition satisfied here. Therefore, this function is 1 or injective. Write the solution generally. Suppose f of x1 is equal to f of x2, where x1 comma x2 belongs to n, means your domain, implies, given that f of x is equal to x square, f of x1 is x1 square, f of x2 is x2 square. Now, taking square root on both sides, you will get x1 is equal to x2. Here it is not possible x1 is equal to plus or minus x2 because this is set of natural numbers only. Therefore, x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f is injective. Next, onto. You know from the definition of onto function. Onto function means every element of the codomain have according to the definition, onto function means each element of the codomain is the image of any element of domain. Codomain alliruva ella elements galu kuda image agirbeku. Each element of the codomain is the image of any element of the domain. Here it is clear that 2 is not the image, 3 also not the image of any element, 5, 6, and you will get infinitely many elements. They are not the images of any element. Therefore, it is not surjective or onto. Just write one example. For I will take 2. 2 belongs to n, your codomain. There does not exist any x belongs to your n, your domain, such that f of x is equal to x square is equal to 2. It means 2 is not the image of any element of your domain. Therefore, f is not surjective, not onto. Okay. Next, second problem is f from z to z given by f of x is equal to x square. Okay. Function looks similar to the previous one, but domain and codomain are changed. Now, integer means it contains 0, plus or 1, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, like that. Plus 1, minus 2 dash dash dash, plus 1, plus 2 dash dash dash. Your function f from z to z. This is just for analyze the problem. No need to draw it in your exam. Okay, just for analyze. F of x is x square. 0 square is 0. 1 square is 1. And image of 2. 2 square is 4. And image of minus 1. Minus 1 square also plus 1. Minus 2 square also plus 4. Now, here according to the definition, if a function is 1, then different elements of the domain having different images in codomain. But here plus 1 minus 1 have the same image. Image of 1 also plus 1. Image of minus 1 also plus 1. Similarly, 2 and minus 2 have the same image. Therefore, this function is not 1, 1 or not injective. Write the answer like this. F of 1 is equal to 1 square is plus 1. F of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 square x square is equal to plus 1. Implies f of 1 and f of minus 1. Both are same. F of 1 is 1, f of minus 1 also 1. But 1 not equal to minus 1. According to the definition, if f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. Then only the function is 1, 1. But here x1 not equal to x2. Therefore, it is not injective. Or you can write the answer like this also. Suppose f of x1 is equal to f of x2. x1 square is equal to x2 square implies x1 is equal to plus or minus x2 in this case. This is set of natural numbers. Therefore, x1 is equal to x2. Here, in integers. Therefore, integers x1 is equal to plus or minus x2. Therefore, the function is not injective. And that way also you can write the answer. Then for onto, you know that you will get infinitely many elements. For example, 2 is not the image. 3 also not the image. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. They are all not the image of any element of the domain. Therefore, it is not onto. I will write answer like this. For 2 belongs to Z. For 2 belongs to Z, your codomain. There does not exist any X belongs to Z, your domain, such that f of x is equal to x square is equal to 2. 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯಾವುದರ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. Therefore, f is not surjective. Okay, in that next problem is f from R to R given by f of x is equal to x square. Now, here it is set of all real numbers to real numbers. Real number means it contains all type of numbers, integers as well as rational numbers. Not only integers, it contains all rational numbers and irrational numbers. Integers also included in set of rational numbers only, means it contains all the numbers p by q of the form p by q as well as irrational numbers also. Okay. Now, it is clear that similar to the previous one, f of 1 square, f of 1 is equal to 1 square, also 1. Similarly, f of minus 1 is minus 1 square, also plus 1. Or you can take any other example also to show that it is not injective. F of 1 is equal to 1 square is 1. F of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 square is equal to plus 1. Implies f of 1 and f of minus 1 are equal, but 1 not equal to minus 1. Therefore, f is not injective. Next, for onto, you know that negative numbers are not the image of any number. Okay. F of 1 square is 1. F of minus 1 square also plus 1. F of 2 square is 4. F of minus 2 square is also plus 4. Negative numbers are not the images. Therefore, I will write example like this. For minus 2 belongs to Z, your codomain, not Z, sorry, R. For minus 2 belongs to R, codomain, there does not exist any X belongs to R, your domain, such that f of x is equal to x square is equal to minus 2. Means negative numbers are not the image. You can take minus 3, minus 4, minus half, minus 3 by 4 like that. As similar to the previous one, it is not possible to take 2 ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. If you take 2, then 2 is square of root 2. Root 2 square is 2. Root 2 square is 2. Root 3 square is 3. Therefore, care is taken that you should take negative numbers only. But here in this case, you can take negative numbers also. ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ -2 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. Look at the difference. Okay, negative numbers -2. Therefore, it is not surjective. In that next problem is f from n to n given by f of x is equal to x cube. Now, here a function is from natural numbers to natural numbers. X cube, image of 1 is 1. 1 cube is 1. Image of 2, 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. Similarly, image of 3 is 27. Image of 4 is 64. Image of 5 is 125, like that. Clear that the different elements having different images. Therefore, it is 1, 1. Suppose f of x1 is equal to f of x2, where x1, x2 belongs to a set of natural numbers. Implies f of x is x cube, f of x1 is x1 cube, f of x2 is x2 cube. Implies taking cube root on both sides, x1 is equal to x2. x1 is equal to x2. x1 is equal to plus or minus x2 agudilla, because -1 cube is -1, minus +1 cube is +1. And moreover, this is set of natural numbers. Negative numbers is not included. Therefore, don't think like that. Okay. Therefore, f is injective. Next, similar to the previous one, here you will get infinitely many elements. They are not the images of any element your domain. For example, 2 is not the image of any element of your domain. Write the answer as similar to the previous one. For 2 belongs to domain, there does not exist any x belongs to n, your domain, such that f of x is equal to x cube is equal to 2. Therefore, it is not surjective. Next problem is f from z to z given by f of x is equal to x cube. Function looks similar to previous one, but here domain and codomain are different. Now, in case of f of x is equal to x square, you know that it is not 1, 1, because -1 square also +1, minus +1 square also +1. But in case of integers, and the function is f of x is equal to x cube, in that case it is x square. Here x cube bandaga, you know that 1 cube is +1 and -1 cube is -1. Similarly, -2 cube is -8, +2 cube is +8. Means different elements having different images. Therefore, this function is 1, 1. Difference not called f of x x cube and f of x is x square. In that case, it is not 1, 1 function, but here it is 1, 1. Write it generally. For suppose f of x1 is equal to f of x2, where x1, x2 belongs to your set of integers. Domain ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೀರಿ. Implies x1 cube is equal to x2 cube. Implies x1 is equal to x2. Here it is not possible. x1 is equal to plus or minus x2. Plus or minus x2 ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. Even though these are integers, we know that +1 cube is +1. -1 cube ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ -1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Therefore, x1 is x2 only. Therefore, it is injective. And as similar to previous one, you will get infinitely many elements in your codomain. They are not the image of any element. 1 cube is 1. Then 2 cube ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 cube is 1. And after that 2 cube is 8. In between these, you will get many elements. They are not the image. 2, 3, 4 to 7. They are not the image of any element. Take any one example. For 2 belongs to your codomain, there does not exist any x belongs to Z domain such that f of x is equal to x cube is equal to 2. Therefore, f is not surjective, not onto. Okay, in this way you can solve these problems, and these are all 2 marks problems, very important also, very simple, but you should take care about domain and codomain. ಯಾವುದು ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಯಾವುದು ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, then write the answer like this. Okay, now you can do this problem, question number 3, in another way also. F of r to r given by f of x is equal to x square. Then in order to show that it is surjective, we can follow another method also, because we know that if a function is onto, then range and codomain are equal. Here you can just show that range is not equal to codomain. Set of all real numbers, f of x is equal to x square. Square of any real numbers, either it is positive or negative, is always positive. ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ, ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಥವಾ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ultimately you will get positive real numbers, and square of 0 is 0. Means your range does not include negative real numbers. Range ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. Means range is equal to non-negative real numbers. Non-negative real numbers means positive real numbers including 0 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Non-negative real numbers, this is not equal to r. Here r means your codomain. Therefore it is not surjective or not onto. You can follow this method also.